Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. This finger-licking good Baba Ganoush may be your new favorite way to eat eggplant. Hope you give it a try. Saute 1 diced onion with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Add 1 tablespoon of red pepper paste, black pepper and red pepper flakes. In a bowl, combine the onion mixture with 5 grilled and mashed eggplants, 2 grilled and mashed capia peppers, 3 grilled and mashed long green peppers, 2 diced tomatoes and a handful of finely chopped fresh parsley. Add juice of a lemon, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, salt, and 2 or 3 cloves of crushed garlic, then mix gently. Baba Ganoush is ready to serve. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching!